just one thing I need.
Ready, get set? 1, 2. Good morning guys. Today is November 24th. Kami lang ni Halo, punta kami ng MANG beer. Tingin ko anong merong sale. So yeah, si Sak ayaw niyang sumama kasi nandito naman si daddy niya. Maaga umuwi. So sabi niya, I'll stay with dad, ma'am. So I go, alright. Sa town, sa parking lot. Kaso tingnan niya si Holly, nakatulog siya. Oh. Baby girl, love. Hawak-hawak niya pa yung shoes niya. Oh, nakita niyo ba? Holly, Papa, wake up. We're here, Papa. Uy. Sa store to. Nag-text sila na meron daw silang mga bagong fresh na vegetables. So, tingnan natin. Hi! Do you have eggplants?
No, I only Thai eggplant.
Oh. This is Thailand. Is it Thailand? Eggplant? Ayan. Do you have the purple one?
Oh no, sorry. Today no, not have.
And they have the green mango. Yum. And look at these guys. They have this spicy noodles. $9.
$9.50.
$9.50. So maybe I'll get you said I can buy two.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Two
2 pack.
yeah, 2 pack of this. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kaya ko siyang kainin. So I will try 2 first and we'll see if I can take it. So yeah, wait, Baba. Asian store, Baba. Lalakad. May Holly. Tingnan natin kung saan may sale. Ayan o, 75% sa half. Ko sa bahay. Binili ko siya last year. Ang price niya daw was $399, almost $400. Ngayon 75%. Ayan siya, kaya nasasaktan ako. Naiinis ka. Ayan, 50% off siya. Ayan. Ang daming sale. Ayan yun. 70% off. Galing lang ako dito last week and 2 weeks ago also lang ako dito. So may 30 to 50% off sila. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita kong sale na magugustuhan ko. Where's Holly? Thank you, Holly. Hi! Wait, Baba. darling. Ako dito, nakabili na ako ng aunties. Gusto-gustuhan ko siya kaya bibili ulit tayo. Balikan natin. Yan kasi susukapin ko. Size 1. Look at this, Baba. Ano siya? Let's see. Baba. Si Holly kasi, umiiyak na. Holly, Laura. Yeah.
I get them some shorts.
Holly, here. Boy, Baba, no. Shh. Let's go. I'm gonna get mommy's toner. Here. Wait, stay here. Stay here. Hold here. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, Baba, here. Come here. This is not a playground. Come here. No, Baba. Yay. Sana dinala ko yung pram. Oy, hits. No touching. That one. No, Baba. Yeah, can I one of this one, please?
Yep.
Yeah, I need the number 2. Clinic number 2, please. Thank you.
Large or the
Oh, Baba, no. Let's go. Thank you.
That was I can help you. Is there anything else?
That's for now. Thank you. We're done. Nag-stop ako dito sa sa Bad Knocks. Isa siyang deli shop na nagtitinda sila ng sandwiches during lunch. Pero ice cream talaga siya. Very creamy ice cream. Ang sarap ng ice cream nila. Tapos eto, bumili ako nito kasi ang sarap ng pork rolls. Ayan o. With gravy. Ang sarap, paborito to ni John. I'm sorry, babe. Hindi kita madadalhan. Kung humingi ng cracklings, tapos binigyan nila ako. Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng kalaki, guys. Ayan, di ba ang laki? Oh my God. Ang sarap. Ayun si Holly, kumakain din si Holly. Hi, Holly! So, yeah. Kainin ko lang to, then. Oops. Ubusin ko lang to, then we're heading home. What's that, Sa? Binibiro ko si Sak. May tira pa ako. Tira ko to sa kanya. Na? Sinave ko talaga to para sa kanya. What?
Tell me.
What?
What is it?
Yeah.
Just tell me. That give me a fly, please. Give me a fly. Let's go.
What?
No.
How is it?
Good.
Huh? Naghahanap siya dito sa.
more.
That's it.
One.
Hmm?
Just one.
Yeah, just one. You're just a little boy. You don't need much. Mmm.
Let me try.
Excuse me.
Please.
Just a little bit. Tingnan mo. Lalaki niyang kagat. Mmm, sarap. How is that?
Good.
Good?
I'm fried.
Wow, you won't like her?
What is it?
Crackling.
Crackling.
Crackling. Huh. Mm.
Why have you got that?
Because I went to buy sandwich.
Get mine off. Come on, Bart.
No, I already ate about.
You got it real. Don't tickle yourself.
Kaya sa ako, binigyan ko si Jam. Sabi niya. Ba't daw hindi ko siya binila? Here. Did you guys say to mommy?
Thank you.
Mm.
Are you full, Mom?
I'm not. I'm still hungry.
Why?
Pag kasi, pag
Are you full, Mom?
No, I'm hungry.
Well,
Well, you got my food now. So how I'm gonna be full if you have my food?
that's why.
Ganito si Sak. Pag may pagkain ako, tapos kinuha niya, tatanungin niya ako, are you full, mom? Tapos mag-aak ako na sabi ko, hindi, gutom pa ako. Ayan, tingnan mo, di ba, sinusubuan niya ako kasi para feeling niya, guilty siya. No, it's alright.
Are you full?
Of course not. I'm not full.
Why?
I'm so hungry.
Would I have a bite? Full?
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Di ba? Ang bait niyan. Hindi naman niya talaga totaling kukunin kung gutom pa ako. Bibigyan niya pa ako. So anyway, i-haul ko lang tong pinamili ko. Kasi wala naman masyado, really. Konti lang naman siya. Ito sa house. Yung vegetable sticks chop. Yung parang hindi na ako mahirapan mag ganyan-ganyan. So, madalian lang. Kasi si Sak, siya si Tija mahilig sa carrots. Tapos, sa Cotton On, binilhan ko si Holly ng Andes. Ayan. Tapos ako, bumili na ako ng Andes 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago. Tapos, bumili ulit ako after na bumili ako nung, I think, 8. Tapos, then, yeah, see, nakita. Tapos, bumalik ulit ako the same week. Kumuha ulit akong 3. Tapos ngayon, bumalik ako kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. Ito. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi para siyang may pagka-Victoria's Secret ang ano niya, ang pagka-silky niya. So, originally, ano siya? $11.95. Ay, may ano pa ako. Yung kinain ko kanina. So, ayan. 5 piso na lang siya. 5 dolyares. Diba? Bumili ulit ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, another 8 kasi nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Tapos, nakalimutan ko. Pumunta pa lang kanina sa chemist ni Holly. Ito yung nabili ko. Kasi naubusan ako ng toner. So, yeah, ito ang gamit ko. So, yun lang.
Me, if you're really there, don't